Hey guys, welcome back to channel. How to connect GoDaddy domain to Base44. So there's a step-by-step guide without wasting time, and make sure you just create your account. And first of all, you will just have to type for sell.pk. So we will just search for the domain on the GoDaddy.com, and after, as you can see, right now it will not available, but some our suggestions are available. So sellpk.com, sells.site, sellpark.com. So make sure you will just have to select it and you will just have to purchase it from here. After purchasing, you will just move in the base 44 app, and we will just move in the dashboard section. We will move in the domains, and right now it will says that you will just have to view the plans for subscription for the starter, builder, pro, and elite. One of them you will just have to subscribe the plan, and after you will be able to see the option to custom domain. So you will just have to copy it from here and just have to paste it. So in this way you'll just have to connect GoDaddy domain to base 44 easily. Thank you so much for watching, guys.